Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 2, and our today's topic is broad question number 6. Our today's topic is broad question number 6. My dear students, inshallah, today we will learn broad question number 6. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. Our sixth number question is, why Saum is important in Islam? Why Saum is important in Islam? Our answer is, Saum is one of the most important pillars of Islam. For all Muslims, Saum is obligatory. For all Muslims, Saum is obligatory because solvent people who have sufficient foods can feel the sorrows of the poor. By observing Saum, we can earn huge sawab. By observing Saum, we can earn huge sawab. That's why Saum is important in Islam. That's why Saum is important. That's why Saum is important in Islam. My dear students, I repeat the answer again. Saum is one of the most important pillars. Saum is one of the most important pillars of Islam. My dear students, you know that there are 5 pillars of Islam. They are Kalima, that means Iman, Salat, Zakat, Saum and Hajj. In this regard, we can say Saum is the 4th number pillars of Islam, and it is one of the most important pillars of Islam. My dear students, now look at the board. For all Muslims, Saum is obligatory. For all Muslims, Saum is obligatory. My dear students, for all Muslims, Saum is obligatory. In the month of Ramadan, there are 30 or 23 Saum has to observe for Muslim. That means in the month, the obligatory of Saum is for the month of Ramadan. My dear students, when you will be an adult person, then you have to must keep the Saum of Ramadan, 30 or 23. In this regard, we can say Saum is obligatory for all Muslims. My dear students, now look at the board. Because solvent people who have sufficient foods can feel the sorrows of the poor. Because solvent people who have sufficient foods can feel the sorrows of the poor. My dear students, solvent people, by observing Saum, solvent people can feel the sorrows of the poor. As example, my dear students, you have a lot of food for eating, but you are a faster. In this regard, you could not eating any food. On the other hand, a poor people has no enough food for eating. In this regard, you can feel the sorrows of the poor people not taking any food. My dear students, now look at the board. By observing Saum, we can earn huge sawab. By observing Saum, we can earn huge sawab. My dear students, you know that if someone observe Saum, by observing Saum, one can earn a lot of or huge sawab from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In this regard, Allah Ta'ala has said in the Hadith Qudsi, Allah has said, Saum is only for me and I will give the reward for it. Allah has said in Hadith Qudsi, that is, Saum is only for me and I will give the reward for it. My dear students, now look at the board. That is why Saum is important in Islam. That is why Saum is important in Islam. My dear students, we have learned that there is a great significance for Saum in Islam, and for this reason Saum has a lot of great importance in Islam. So my dear students, you always try to keep fasting in the month of Ramadan with your parents. When the month of Ramadan will come to you, then you will try your best to keep fasting with your parents. So my dear students, that's all for today. Now look at the board. Today our lecture number 18 and SW number 17. Lecture number 18 and SW number 17. You will make SW at your home, broad question number 6. You will make SW at your home, broad question number 6. My dear students, here is written my contact number. If you face any problem, then you will contact with me. My dear students, you must submit your SW copy on every Sunday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Don't forget to submit your SW copy, because you know that your city and SBA marks depend on submitting your SW copy. So my dear students, no more today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.